Hello aspirants, I'm Indumari Karthikeyan from Inkar IAS Academy. Mental health and physical fitness very much important for your UPSC examinations. You should sleep well. 7 to 8 hours sleep is required for your well-being and also the focus and accuracy. This will definitely help you to focus and accuracy, and also eat light and stay hydrated is very much crucial for your examination. You should carry your water, like little snacks, light snacks like banana, dry fruits, biscuits, and also you have to boost your energy. In between paper, you have to eat lightly. Don't should be keep your stomach empty. Don't panic if the paper feels hard. It's hard for everyone, so you have to focus only on accuracy, not the total attempt. So you should not be panic. So you should be confident. You have already read, so you should be confident on that. That is your mental strength. First of all, you should manage your stress. That's main important for your UPSC. You have to meditate 10 to 15 minutes before the examination. You have the deep breathing exercise, and also affirmation and positive self-talk is required. No need to talk the negative thoughts, or no need to talk with your friends about negative. I won't make it the replace. I'm not doing my best every day. I didn't finish it this subject, that subject. So you have to manage your stress, and also you have to avoid burnout. You have to do pomodoro technique. That is you have to study and keep 5 minutes break. The same thing will be in your examination hall. You have to do 25 minutes and take 2-3 minutes break. Then you have to do the rest of the questions. So this will technique definitely will help you to boost your analytical skills, and also take regular breaks. You have to take 2 minutes break once you finish the 20 question, 25 question, but don't take too much breaks. And also you have to limit social media before the day, because you have to more concentrate on the social media. Your focus will be reduced during the examination. And also you have to speak out. Don't be avoid isolating yourself during the examination. So you have to speak well, you have to speak positive things, and you can go for the exam. And also you have to stay motivated. You have to watch some toppers interview, motivational talks, visualize your goals, think about the why behind your preparation. So these are the things will motivate you. It will give you the confidence during the examination. The mental wellness during the examination is very much important, and on the same time you have to be fit for your physical wellness, because you have to be eat right, balanced diet. You use fruits, vegetables, proteins, whole grains, and also you have to stay hydrated. That is very much important. At least 2 to 3 liters water is very much required for your examination. And also you have to avoid the excessive caffeine, junk foods. That's very much important for your examination. And also before the examination you have the sleep. You should have 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It's non-negotiable. Poor sleep definitely hampers the memory and also concentration. So you should avoid the screens at least 30 minutes before the exam. And also you have to exercise before the exam, at least little walking. That's enough for you. Else you have to do some yogas, and also you have to release your endorphins. That will reduce the stress and improve the focus on your examination. And posture is a matter. First of all, use a good chair, sit upright, take a 5 minutes, breathe, then only you can start your preparation. That is very much important. In this everything, that stay confident is more important than everything, because you have to be stay confident, then only you can attempt all the question. Don't think that first 5 question is tough, then your question will be tough. Don't think like that, because if the question paper is tough for you, it's tough for everybody. So you have the competition in this world. You have to achieve your goal, so no need to worry. You have to do more confidently, then it will definitely reduce your stress, and it will help you to focus more on the question. So this is the main important thing. You have to make your physical fitness, and also your reduce your emotions, and also increase your mental and well-being. So that will definitely help you to crack your examination. Thank you so much.